What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to give you one of the cheapest, easiest things to add to your dirt bike. Has a lot of value. I paid $8 for this hour meter. $8 delivered from Amazon. Very easy to install. On this one, Velcro is included. Basically I put Velcro on the frame, on the back. I stick it there and it's easily seen. Install consists of a wire that runs down. You wrap it around your spark plug and the induction from your kick or inductive kick from the spark plug when it fires actually gets picked up and your hour meter reads it. I was kind of hesitant at first putting this on. I really didn't even know how they worked or what was involved in doing it, but it's actually easy. But one thing I've learned is I'm out there riding on the track and I think, hey, you know, I've been out here 10, 20 minutes and looked down at the hour meter. I've actually only been there like 6 minutes. Another thing I've learned is just rebuilt the engine without the hour meter. I have no idea how many hours I've actually put on it. For maintenance, I can log when I've changed the oil, how much time's on the spark plug. I mean, if your dirt bike doesn't have one, spend the $8 and put it on there. It's very easy and very much worth $8 to know your maintenance schedule.